Hello everyone, today I am preparing a simple homemade herbal antioxidant drink using natural ingredients that are rich in nutrients and plant compounds. First, I take 3 medium slices of a ripe peach and cut them into small pieces. Now, peaches are naturally rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium and antioxidants such as carotenoids and polyphenols. These nutrients help protect cells from oxidative stress, support the immune system, and contribute to healthy skin. The natural fiber in peaches also support healthy digestion. The high level of vitamin C stimulate collagen production while beta-carotene and natural hydration help protect against ultraviolet damage and keep your skin glowing. The beta-carotene in this is converted into vitamin A by your body, which is essential for maintaining sharp vision and preventing age-related eye conditions. Next, I take about 8 to 10 fresh Jamun, also known as Java Plum. I make 4 to 5 small cuts. This helps release more of the natural juices and beneficial plant compounds during cooking. Now, Jamun contains anthocyanins, flavonoids, vitamin C and other antioxidants. It has traditionally been used to support healthy blood sugar metabolism, although it should never replace prescribed diabetes treatment. Jamun also provides dietary fiber that supports digestive health. Now, next I take 4 fresh Jamun leaves and they should be washed properly, and now I will chop them into small pieces and will add them to the pot. Now, Jamun leaves contain polyphenols, flavonoids and tannins. These natural phytochemicals have antioxidant properties and they have been studied for their potential role in supporting glucose metabolism and reducing the oxidative stress. More high quality human research is still needed. Now I add about half a tablespoon of Kalonji. This is also known as black seed. Next I am adding about 8 to 10 cloves. Next I am adding 3 tablespoons of washed and soaked mung dal. Now, sabat mung dal or whole mung beans, also known as whole mung bean lentils in English. This is a highly nutritious legume packed with plant-based protein, dietary fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Regularly eating whole mung beans may support heart health, improve digestion, and help regulate blood sugar levels. They also promote healthy weight management by keeping you full for longer. Now, because the outer skin is retained, whole mung beans provide more fiber than the split mung dal. Now friends, I am transferring all the ingredients into a cooking pot. Now I pour 1 glass of water into the pot. Now I place it on the stove over low heat and let it gently simmer for about 15 minutes. Cooking over low heat allows the flavors and the beneficial plant compounds from the fruits, leaves and spices to slowly mix into the water without vigorous boiling. Now after about 15 minutes, I turn off the heat and allow the mixture to cool naturally. Once it is cool enough, I strain it into a clean glass to remove the fruit pieces, leaves and the spices, leaving behind a flavorful herbal drink. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar to improve the taste and stir well. Our homemade drink is now ready. It combines antioxidant-rich fruits, aromatic spices, and herbal ingredients along with the fiber-rich mung dal. Now, this is converted into a refreshing beverage. While these ingredients contain nutrients and bioactive compounds that may support overall health, this drink is not a cure or treatment for any medical condition. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding mother, or have any ongoing health concern, always follow the advice of a qualified healthcare professional. Thank you and take care.